The Grapefruit Adventure. On a sunny morning, a young boy named Leo woke up with a rumble in his tummy. "I'm hungry for an adventure," he declared to his teddy bear Barnaby. Leo decided he would go on a quest to find the most delicious fruits in the world. First, Leo and Barnaby ventured into a nearby orchard. The trees were heavy with bright, shiny apples. "Look, Barnaby," Leo exclaimed. "Red, yellow, and green apples. It's a rainbow of flavors." He picked a crisp red apple and took a big bite. Next, they found a tree with fuzzy, blushing fruits. "These are peaches," Leo explained to Barnaby. They were a soft, fuzzy coat. He gently picked a peach, its sweet scent filling the air. Their adventure continued to a tree with tiny red jewels hanging from its branches. "Cherries," Leo whispered. He imagined climbing a tall ladder to pick them, one by one. Leo knew that inside both cherries and peaches was a hard pit. "We can't eat these," he told Barnaby, holding up a cherry pit, "but we can plant them and maybe grow a new tree." Soon, they came across some pear and lemon trees. Leo picked a bright yellow lemon and dared to take a tiny lick. "Pucker up, Barnaby," he giggled as his face scrunched up from the sour taste. Lower to the ground, they discovered a patch of sweet strawberries. "These don't grow on trees," Leo said, bending down to pick a ripe red berry. "It's like finding hidden treasure." Their journey led them to a vineyard where grapes grew on long, winding vines. "These grapes are like little balloons of juice," Leo said, popping one into his mouth. Leo dreamed of faraway lands with exotic fruits. He imagined mangoes and papayas, fruits that loved the warm tropical sun and wouldn't grow in his cooler home. At the end of their adventure, Leo and Barnaby sat down for a fruit feast. "Even though some fruits don't grow here," Leo said, peeling a banana, "we are lucky we can still enjoy them." He gave a small piece to Barnaby, who gobbled it up.